Ever looked at a huge number, like the population of a city, and felt your brain just shut down? Numbers with 6 or 7 digits can seem intimidating, but they're just following a simple pattern. Think of it like a code. You already know the code for numbers up to 100,000. Now we're adding just one more word to your vocabulary that unlocks millions. It all comes down to place value. Every spot a digit holds has a name: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. The secret rule is that each spot is 10 times bigger than the one to its right. 10 ones make a 10. 10 tens make 100. This pattern keeps going all the way up. 10 100,000s bundle together to make 1 million. That's it. That's the big jump. So how do you read a number like 3,456,789? The commas are your best friend. They break the number into smaller, manageable chunks. You read the first chunk, 3, and say its family name, million. Then read the next chunk, 456, and say its name, thousand. Finally, you just read the last part, 789. See? 3,456,789. But what about when parts are missing? This is where the 0 becomes a hero. If you need to write 3,006,009, you can't just write 3, 6, 9. You have to use zeros to hold the empty spots. It becomes 3,006, 009. The zeros are essential placeholders, making sure the 3 is in the million spot and the 6 is in the thousand spot. They give the number its true size. Once you see this pattern, the groups of 3, the power of 10, and the hero 0, these giant numbers stop being scary. They become clear. You can now understand the scale of city populations, the cost of huge projects, and the vast distances in our world. You've just unlocked the language of big numbers.